Hi, I'm David Birch. Welcome to this Seated Tai Chi and Qigong flow. You need a safe place to practice in. You need to choose a nice and sturdy chair, and you need to choose a response for whenever you are interrupted so that you won't be scattered. Shift your mind, body, and breath. The mind is relaxed and focused on just one thing, what we're doing right now, calm and tranquil. The breath, long, slow, deep breaths, about twice as much and about twice as deep. Seated in an ergonomic, neutral position. Relaxed, but supported by our structure. The feet are parallel, about hip width apart, maybe a little bit wider or narrower, depending on your comfort level. We want you to enjoy this practice. So now start enjoying your breathing. Let that enjoyment turn into gratitude, into joy, and blossom out with a smile from your heart. We're going to do a body scan, and we're going to relax from head to toe. We're going to do that with a movement gathering chi. Our hands circle up, overhead, and we inhale. And we exhale with a sigh of relief, relaxing the front part of the body at the level of the hands. Let's do that 2 more times. Now relax the back part of the body at the level of the hands. Let the back of the body settle and sink, releasing any tension from top to bottom. Up again, inhale and exhale with a sigh of relief, scanning for and releasing any internal tension. 2 more times. We can let that sigh of relief turn into the sigh of satisfaction, an ah sound. More positive emotional content. Smile from the heart again. The hands are on our laps or on our knees. And we just let our hands float up with an inhale, about chest level, and then float back down. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, lifting water like water is lifting the hands, and then the wave is dropping them back down. Flowing like water. And now at the top, stop. Hold a ball. Relax the shoulders, relax the elbows. Let the hands move apart as we opening the chest and breathing in, and close, breathing out. And then rotate the ball. Drop the ball top hand floats up with an inhale and then compresses back down with an exhale. You can close your eyes if you feel safe to relax more and more. We're going to rotate the ball to the other side. Other hand is on top and it compresses and exhales. And then inhale, expand, rotate the ball to the other side, compress. Inhale, expand, rotate, yin-yang hands. Breathing in, rotating, and breathing out. Let the hands float up, holding the ball. Rotate both palms to the sky. Leave the right one out. And turn to the left, and the left hand rolls back, down, up by the ear. And then we turn back to the front with the torso, and the hands push-pull, one pulling underneath, one pushing over the top. The one pulling rolls back and down and up. Inhale, exhale, roll back arm, rolling back left and right. Arms in continuous motion. Whirling arms. Now hold the ball. Bring it over one knee. The hand should be across, so you can rotate the ball. The cross arm is on top, because it needs to go down and brush past your knee. The other arm rolls back and up, and as you turn to the front, pushes. So we hold the ball, turn, inhale, brush knee and push. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. You can breathe out through the nose or the mouth. I use the sigh of relief because it relaxes the nervous system more. It acts like a steam release valve, letting off internal pressure. And then hold the ball. Turn to the other side. So the cross arm is now underneath, like we're tucking a frisbee, and we're going to throw that frisbee. Top hand goes down to anchor. We turn to the front, and we ward off. Hold the ball, turn to the side, hold the ball on the side, inhale, exhale. warding off, holding the ball, warding off. Then we hold the ball in front, and we turn the palm, the top palm, towards our face. The bottom palm is holding the bottom part of the ball, down by the belly, and we just turn to one side. One hand goes down, one hand goes up. They change positions, and then we turn to the other side. Switch hands. We make this more circular. We shift, we turn, conserve energy. We breathe in, we breathe out, the top hand floating across the sky like a cloud, waving hands like clouds, the bottom hand dipping in the water before it goes up. And then it sweeps in. One hand up, one hand down. They change. Brings the knee with it. Golden rooster stands on one leg. Sink. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, hold. Exhale, sink. Now we're going to lift the knee, but we're going to gather. And we're going to separate and kick. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Cross. Separate. Sink. Gather. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Gather fresh energy from above and roll it and store it in Dantian. Thank you so much for joining me in this flow.